Powerful thunderstorms leave their mark on southern New England. Heavy rain, gusty winds, even a microburst, and a water spout. Take a look at these pictures that were captured by Cindy Barron in North Kingstown. They were taken in the Stop and Shop parking lot just off Route 4 after 5 last night. Just amazing to see that. You can see the sky nearly pitch black as a funnel cloud forms right in the middle of those clouds there. And that's the same cell that produced a water spout over Narragansett Bay. Then up in Norton, a storm knocked a tree down onto a home on North Worcester Street. Luckily, no one was living in that home. No one was hurt in that situation. And then a little further north in Hopkinton, Mass., they were hammered by a thunderstorm, and this one dumped hail. It just piled up like snow in that area. Just incredible pictures there. Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello is live in the Pinpoint Doppler 12 Forecast Center with more on yesterday's severe weather, and hopefully, Michelle, if we're out from under it for at least a little while.
And we do have a little bit of a break, but I do want to take you back in time right now, Elizabeth, to yesterday afternoon. We'll do a little radar rewind for you and show you the details. This is going back to 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Now, the first severe storm that rolled through was the one in Hopkinton, where we just saw the video of the hail. Well, the radar there indicated some rotation within the storm, and there was actually a tornado warning issued for that area. Now, the National Weather Service went out to investigate some of the storm damage, and they decided and determined that it was straight-line wind damage from a microburst and not a tornado that caused the damage and the power outages there. As that cell weakened, we saw a new cell form over the West Bay in Rhode Island, and it was that storm, and that's at 5:40, when not only was that funnel cloud reported and pictured that we saw just a few minutes ago, but also a water spout over Narragansett Bay was reported that touched down over the bay and stayed on the water for a few minutes before dissipating as it moved over Jamestown and eventually Newport. But it brought very heavy rain, gusty winds, and again a tornadic storm there. A water spout, of course, just a tornado that forms over water. Now, currently we are dry on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Still mainly cloudy over most of Rhode Island, but the sun is breaking out from east to west. Starting to see some of that at the Moses Brown School. Some of the sun breaking through the cloud cover. We'll see more and more of that this afternoon, and overall a pretty decent weekend on the way. We'll talk all about it coming up.
All right.